vegetarian is easy and delicious.
The super spicy potatoes are incredibly delicious and perfect with rice. Today, I used Lao Gan Ma chili oil to make stir-fried potato slices with vegan shrimp. This is a flavorful and addictive dish. You must try it yourself. The crispy yet tender potatoes paired with the savory vegan shrimp create a satisfying texture, while the rich, spicy chili oil coats every bite for an irresistible kick. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: potatoes, vegan dried shrimps, Lao Gan Ma chili oil. Vegetarian shrimp is a plant-based seafood alternative made from ingredients like soy protein, offering a chewy texture and savory umami taste. Lao Gan Ma's classic chili oil is technically vegetarian as its main ingredients are rapeseed olive chili, fermented soybeans, and spices. But strict vegans should know potential cross-contamination from shared production lines with non-vegetarian products and must avoid meat-containing varieties like chicken-flavored chili oil. Always check labels carefully. Add 3 tablespoons vegan dried shrimp into bowl. Crispy and delicious when fried or air-fried, vegetarian shrimp mock shrimp also takes on a tender, minced meat-like texture when braised, making it versatile for creating various dishes. Peel and slice potatoes. Soaking potatoes in water primarily removes excess surface starch, which prevents them from sticking together during cooking, reduces browning, and helps achieve a crispier texture when fried or roasted. Slice potatoes with their larger surface area. Turn crispy and thin. It is ideal for stir-frying or frying, while cubed potatoes retain a soft, fluffy interior. It is better for stewing or roasting. The thickness directly determines the final texture. Tip: rough-cut cubes release more starch, creating a crispier crust when roasted, while uniformly thin slices yield an all-over crunch. Potatoes are a great choice for healthy weight loss, low in fat and rich in dietary fiber to boost satiety. But opt for steaming, boiling, or baking instead of high-fat, oily methods. Pair them with protein and veggies in controlled portions to meet nutritional needs while managing weight. Potatoes have a medium glycemic index. Cooled potatoes contain more resistant starch, which benefits gut health. Roasting potatoes first caramelizes their surface for deeper flavor. Then braising them allows spices and sauces to fully penetrate, creating a richer, more complex taste. Roasted potato slices set aside. Let's start cooking. Add cooking oil, saute the vegan dried shrimp until fragrant. It soaks up oil beautifully for richer flavor. One sizzle and the whole kitchen smells irresistible. Crunchy vegan shrimp crumbs, a game changer. Toss them on rice, congee, or any dish for extra umami crunch. Add spoonfuls of Lao Gan Ma chili sauce and stir-fry to release flavor. Fried aromatic vegan shrimp also makes a perfect noodle topping. It's so versatile. Toss it in, sprinkle on, or mix up however you crave. It smells amazing now. Reserve some for topping before continuing. Add roasted potato slices and stir fry. Adjust to your taste. If you love crispy vegan shrimp, simply season and stir fry a bit longer before serving for maximum crunch. Today we're making a meaty textured braised potato dish. Add water and let it simmer to perfection. Now slow braise until the potatoes soak up all that savory goodness. And vegan fried shrimp turn fork tender and mimic that rich, meaty mouthfeel. Seasoning to taste with salt and mushroom powder. Omit mushroom powder if you don't like. Simmering over low heat for 8 to 10 minutes will allow the potatoes to have a complete appearance and be soft, but not mushy inside. The vegetarian shrimp will have a fibrous texture similar to shredded meat. If you like a more flavorful taste, you can extend it to 12 minutes. At this time, the edges of the potatoes will be slightly softened to form a thick sauce. Let's plate potatoes. Garnish with crispy vegan fried shrimp before serving. Sprinkle the crispy vegan shrimp over velvety mashed potatoes. Golden crunch meets creamy smoothness in every glorious bite. The umami pop of the shrimp perfectly complements the potato's natural sweetness, adding instant depth to each forkful. The Lao Gan Ma chili glazed potato slices sizzle with smoky depth, while the crispy vegan shrimp scatter like flavor firecrackers. Each bite delivers a riot of textures. Silky, spicy, sweet potatoes against shattering umami crunch. The chili oil's numbing heat weaves through the dish, amplifying the shrimp's oceanic savoriness, all plant-based sorcery. And just when you think it can't get better, that addictive mala tingle lingers, demanding one more chopstick plunge into this vegan carnivore's dream. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. Potatoes are packed with vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber, boosting immunity, regulating blood pressure, and aiding digestion. Their resistant starch content increases when cooled, helping control blood sugar and balance gut bacteria, low in fat yet highly satiating. They're an excellent staple for weight management. The skin contains polyphenol antioxidants, reducing inflammation risks when consumed. Their health benefits depend on cooking method. Steaming, boiling, or baking maximizes nutrition while avoiding frying keeps calories in check. Purple varieties offer extra anthocyanins for eye health. Always remove green, sprouted parts to avoid salinine toxicity. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For OVO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.